It's finally here! After 2 months of waiting, my Alienware M15 R3 just arrived. And I'm gonna unbox it for you guys to see what it looks like. So here is the box. So this one is an i7, an RTX 2070, and with 512 gigabytes and 16 gigs of RAM. It actually costs 8,400 baht, which is around 2,600. So for this price, actually in America you should be getting the Super, but then I'm in Thailand, so that's why. But with the Thai bundle, they also give us 3 more items. So they gave us the Alienware Elite Gaming Mouse and the Alienware Pro Gaming Keyboard, as well as the Alienware Vindicator Backpack 15 version 2.0. So I'm getting 3 more freebies with it. And those freebies probably cost more, like each probably costs nearly around 100. So maybe like I get $300 of freebies more. Oh wow. Box is insane though. So good with hands, so yep, this is what the box of the Alienware looks like. And if you can see near, you can see there's some like textile on here. But yeah, so okay, so on the side it says M15 here, which is pretty cool. And if you see, there's some graphics also on the side. Oh, and here we got also, yeah, that's pretty cool, right? So yeah, let's open this now. So let's see what the inside would look like. I nearly cut off the, oh, what the fuck is this? Okay, oh shit, never mind. Oh, I opened it the wrong way. But then here's a laptop. Woo! Yep. It's very light. Wow. Compared to my laptop right now that I have, this feels much lighter. So much prettier. Wow. Right as I open it, you can see the RGB. Oh, so somehow it's already open a little. But yeah, so pretty slick looking laptop, isn't it? And before we get onto this, shit, I feel like the screen is much small. Oh, okay. So they didn't waste it. I'll explain it later what I meant. But anyway, before that, yeah. So inside, I get this. So this is like, okay. So this is just like, you know, some kind of history of Alienware. Okay, what is this? So let me open this. So so this is for the Dell support. So I think it's a manual.
Hi there, I'm Cortana.
Oh
and
shit.
I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and
We also have the power. Shit, and this is big though. So this is the only part that's really not portable. Is how big this thing is. Look. Oh, it's 240 watt. So yeah, pretty big. But it will serve my Alienware well. So this is what the laptop looks like though. The beast. Ooh, and behind. Wow. Yep, it is really pretty. I think it's the prettiest laptop I've ever seen. Wow, shit. Yeah. And here we see the honeycomb design on the bottom. Oh, so here are the ports. Yeah, I think this is for Alienware graphic amplifiers. This is probably for the charger. I think this is HDMI. This is a Thunderbolt, I think. This one, I'm not sure what this one is. Sorry, I didn't research well. and then two here that got a USB cable on the USB as well with the LAN cord and the headphone jack. Yeah, so one more thing that I forgot to mention earlier is that so with this screen, if you guys can notice, they save some space here, like here to here. On my other laptop, right, the screen is like this big, but the borders are this thick. So like you see the save space here, so because I want to make it much more slimmer. And yeah, so this is the honeycomb as well. I didn't show, but yeah, I'll play around and yeah, and then I'll give some review maybe after a month or two to see how well it performs with the heating and everything. With the i7 and the RTX 2070, I think it shouldn't be that crazy on the, I mean, it's gonna be good performance for value, you know, best bang for the buck, but yeah, for the price I got anyway, if I'm in America, I should have gotten the Super, but you know, in Thailand they only come with either this option or the 2080 Super Max Q, and that one is way too expensive. It's like probably like $3,999 for that one. So yeah, I prefer to get this one. Anyway, hope you guys enjoy, and if you like my video, please hit a like and subscribe, and I'll have more Ghost of Tsushima content coming soon. Bye bye.